Hello, Longview ISD. This is Jennifer Smith, and I had a question from a teacher earlier today about a project that she wanted to do with her IB students. And in the project, she needed all of the students to go in with a map of the world and claim a country. So that Sam, we can see, has claimed the United States, and Joanne has claimed this country. So, how do you do that? Let me go in and show you. So, first of all, I'm in Google Slides. And I'm going to create a new slide, and I'm going to get rid of everything that is on this one because I need just a blank slate. And what I'm going to do is set the background. I can do this in two ways. I can go up and click Change Background, or I can right click and go to Change Background when I click on the blank slide. I'm going to click Choose Image. Now at this point, I have several options. If I already have the picture on my computer, I can upload it. I can use my camera. I can enter a photo by the URL address. I can do my Google Drive, or I can do a search. So in this case, I'm looking for a map of Central America. And when I type that in, I get all of these options here. And I like this one. So I'm going to click this one and tell it to insert it as the background on my slide. Then I'll click Done. And there you see it's the image in the background of my slide. Now, when I do it as the background image, when I click and move things around, it doesn't move the picture versus if I just put a picture on top, okay? Now, when I assign it to students, they can go to the Shape tool, choose Callouts, and then click one of these cartoon character callouts. We'll do the round one here and insert it. And then they can choose where this points to. And they can change the color with the paint bucket here. And they can put their name by double clicking in here. And maybe this is Tom. They can resize it here. Now, what you really want is that all students can edit this file. So when you go into Google Classroom, here is my classroom. I'm going to create an assignment. And in this case, I'm going to call it Choose Your Country. And I might give some instructions here. I'm going to add a resource. It is in my Google Drive. That's the presentation that I'm working on. And here I need to pay attention to how I assign it to the children. I don't want them to just be able to view it. I want them to be able to interact with it. So I'm going to choose Students can edit the file versus making a copy for every student. Students can edit the file means that all students are working on the same document together. So that's how I'm going to choose to assign it, and I'm going to assign it to all students. Now, what does this look like on the student's end? So here I'm going to go into a student view, and if I go to the Classworks tab, here is the assignment, Choose Your Own Country. When I open that up, I see that other people have claimed their country. So again, as a student, I'm going to go in here, click the shapes that are callouts. I'm going to select which one I want, and I can move the little pointy to wherever I need it to be, and I can change the color of my callout and add my name here. Maybe that's a little bit big, and so I can resize it here. I hope that helps some of you with your different projects that you're working on.